Homemade Rosewater Saffron Cake with Saffron Milkshake, Eid Festival Special, Eid Mubarak, affordable recipe for beginners. Assalamu alaikum and Eid Mubarak, everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we're celebrating Eid in a special way by making a delicious homemade treat, Rosewater Saffron Cake with a refreshing saffron milkshake. It's a perfect combination to sweeten your Eid celebrations. And the best part? It's easy and affordable, perfect for beginners. So, let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need. For the Rosewater Saffron Cake: 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup granulated sugar, ½ cup unsalted butter, softened, 3 eggs, ½ cup milk, 1 teaspoon baking powder, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon rosewater, a few strands of saffron. Optional, crushed pistachios for garnish. For the saffron milkshake: 2 cups milk, 2 tablespoons sugar, a few strands of saffron, a scoop of vanilla ice cream, optional. Now, let's dive into the preparation. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease a cake pan with butter or cooking spray. Step 2. In a small bowl, warm the milk slightly and add the saffron strands to it. Let it sit for a few minutes to infuse the milk with saffron flavor. Step 3. In a mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Step 4. Add the eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Step 5. Gradually add the flour, baking powder, and salt to the mixture, alternating with the saffron-infused milk. Step 6. Stir in the rosewater until well combined. Step 7. Pour the batter into the prepared cake pan and spread it evenly. Step 8. Bake in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. While our cake is cooling, let's prepare the saffron milkshake. Step 1. In a blender, combine the milk, sugar, and saffron-infused milk. If you want to make it extra indulgent, add a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Step 2. Blend everything until smooth and creamy. Step 3. Pour the milkshake into glasses and garnish with a few strands of saffron on top. And there you have it, a refreshing saffron milkshake to accompany our Rosewater Saffron Cake. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Our Rosewater Saffron Cake is now cooled and ready to serve. You can garnish it with some crushed pistachios for an added touch. Absolutely delicious. The combination of delicate rosewater flavor with the richness of saffron is truly delightful. And the saffron milkshake is the perfect complement, especially on a warm Eid day. If you enjoy this recipe, please subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. That's all for today's recipe. I hope you enjoyed making this homemade Rosewater Saffron Cake with saffron milkshake as much as I did. Remember, Eid is a time for joy, togetherness, and delicious food shared with loved ones. Wishing you all a blessed Eid filled with happiness and sweet moments. Eid Mubarak.